At the University of Lausanne's Scientific Police Institute, Pierre, Esseiva and Olivier Delémont are working on a new technology aimed at detecting synthetic drugs. From basic research to practical applications, this project is backed by the European community.
And the aim of this project is, in fact, to develop a prototype to detect precursors that are seized at the border. So the precursors is the necessary product that you need if you want to produce illicit drugs.
The forerunners are the basic chemical products used to make drugs. The issue being that they are very hard to detect at customs controls.
And that's the aim of this instrument, is to provide to the customs the way of saying that, okay, now we have these barrels, and in these barrels we have some liquids, but these liquids is not sulfuric acid. It is something else, and it could be, for example, saffron, that is the precursors to produce ecstasy.
Therefore, the idea is to develop an initial prototype of this system, which still does not exist on the market.
The real involvement of the Unil as a partner in the consortium is first in the beginning of the project to develop the different requirements for the prototype and the requirements for the sensing devices. And then at the end of the project, then we will have to test the prototype that will be made and to see if we can achieve the detection of the product that we have here available in our laboratory.
This project, called DIRAC, brings together a multidisciplinary consortium of around 10 European partners. Specialized businesses also offer their industrial expertise to this study.
You have lots of problematics when you're working at the university, for sure. You're doing some research, and most of the time you are quite alone in your labs, and then with such a project, you have some meetings with that person, you can visit their facilities, and it's really a great opportunity to see, okay, I have that problem, but that person, they have their expertise to resolve and to solve that kind of problem. If you are in such a project that is really focused to develop a prototype that is for police, at the end they need to have like a forensic overview. And for the University of Lausanne and Forensic Institute, it's also a way of demonstrating that we have the competence to give some advice to that kind of project.